with this, there is no hard credit check. Alright guys, and in today's video, I got another gem for you. And with this company, they're set to help all of my subscribers boost their credit profile and also thicken it by adding a new primary trade line. And with this credit company, they will not only set you up for approvals, but they will also help you to make sure that your credit profile stays intact. So whenever you need to pull that trigger to get something else on credit, you will have no hesitation. And without further ado, let's dive in. Alright guys, and then today I'm bringing you Boost Your Score. And with this company, they're not only going to boost your scores with an installment account, but they're also going to be giving you a revolving account as well. Yes, you've heard it here correctly. 2 trade lines for the price of 1. You actually choose what credit booster you actually want to start with, and then as soon as you set up everything and you start, all positive payments will go strictly and directly to your credit report up until that point. And throughout you making all of those positive payments, you will receive some type of secured credit card in the midst of you making those payments to start the revolving account as well. And then also, the money that you pay is the money that you keep, minus a few fees, of course. Alright, so let's go into the steps of what you actually need to do to get Boost Your Credit Score actually on your credit report. So, step 1, you're actually going to pick the method that you want to choose to add to your credit profile. And when you do, like I stated before, all the positive payment history that you acquire up until that point will report to all 3 credit bureaus. I'm talking TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. And then step 2, after the 4th payment that you make on that installment account, that is actually when they're going to gift you with that secured credit card. And with that secured credit card, it's going to start the revolving trade line that you are going to have on your credit report, as well as the installment account. The reason why that they actually wait after the 4th payment is because they want to see how serious and how committed you are to the cause of actually repairing and boosting your credit. So that is when they actually grant you the 2nd trade line. Alright guys, and then step 3, of course, once you complete the process, you will get all of your money back minus a few fees. I promise you, it is super worth it. Because of course, at the end of the day, all of these companies are going to help you. They have no problem helping you, but they just want to make sure that they get whatever they can off the back end. You see where I'm going with this? So with all 3 of those actual steps itself, that's going to put you in position to thicken and boost your credit scores and thicken your credit profile. Guys, at the end of the day, I always talk about how important your credit is. I'm not trying to tell you, oh, you need to go get business funding, you need to do this, you need to do that. If you want to do that, then that's fine. If that's your MO of why you want to raise your credit, then I'm totally for that, because that's the same thing that I did. But let's just say that you just want to raise your credit just to have your credit just in good standings. That's still a good reason to boost your credit. There is no reason why you need to be walking around here with terrible credit when they have so many resources to actually boost and help you repair your credit. If you want to go get the car that you want, the house that you want, and etc., you need good credit. Now, as far as the pricing, there are multiple tiers. You have the mini boost option, the regular boost option, and the mega boost option. And of course, all of these are 12-month options. The mini boost option does start at $30 a month for 12 straight months. So if you do a little bit of math, that equals out to $360 that you would pay to boost your score. But remember in the beginning that I stated you actually get all of your money back minus a few fees. How much you'll get back out of that $360 is $300. It's actually only going to cost you $60 for 2 trade lines, which is unheard of. So that equals out to no more than $5 each month as a fee. You can't beat that, guys. Now, as far as the other options are actually good as well, but I'm not going to go over them. The reason why is because this is just my opinion. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't think the other options are really super necessary. I just think they cost more, but I don't think they're more effective or cost effective. You get what I'm saying? So let me explain. So with the regular boost and also the mega boost, you're just paying more money, but it does the same impact. I promise you. So in my opinion, I think you should just go with the cheapest one possible, the mini boost, which is $30 a month. There's no point in you spending extra money that you don't have to. So if you spend $30 a month, pay the $360, get $300 back, and everything that they put on your credit report is going to stay. They're not going to remove anything as soon as you complete the process. So you might as well just sign up for the mini boost. And with the 2 credit products that I stated earlier, you will automatically approve once you sign up. It is 100% approval. And I love soft credit checks and 100% approval for you guys. But remember, like I stated in the beginning, you will get that secure credit card on the 4th initial successful payment. Always remember that, because again, they want to make sure that you're committed to the cause of actually boosting your credit score. So get to that 4th actual payment and get your secure credit card. 2 for the price of 1. So overall, Boost Your Score is a serious game changer in my opinion, once you apply. And also, if you're in the process of actually disputing negatives off of your account, Boost Your Score will not only raise your credit score while you see those negatives go down. Negatives go down, positives go up. And this is a serious trade line that's seriously going to help you in the process. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now go get Boost Your Score and boost your scores, all right? And until next time, ladies and gents.